One of the best parts about SEMA is Battle of the Builders Young Gun Series. And today we're joined by Kiesha, and we have her 1973 Ford Bronco. She's done all the work herself. This is one of the most amazing paint jobs I've seen out here since we've been out here the last few days. This color is fire. Kiesha, why don't you tell us a little bit about the build?
Well, I originally built it. I did a frame-off restoration when I was 18. I'm 29 now. But back then when I built it, I was too nervous to do paint. I'm a nurse full-time, so that was never in my career. It was just that I love cars and I love Broncos, so I wanted to build one. But now, fast forward, I'm 29 and I had the opportunity to be sponsored by the Builders to come out and compete in my very last chance to do Young Guns Battle of the Builders.
Nice.
So it gave me the opportunity to actually do the paint this time. So this is my very first paint job.
Well, we think that you absolutely killed it. You did a phenomenal job. This is a great build. And, you know, we really like to see the young builders out here just taking on the guys that have been doing this in the industry for a long time. And she's doing a great job. And I'm sure that she's going to make her mark in the industry. Stick around. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. I love people loving my Bronco. That's like the best part.
Ready.
All right, we're here, and one of the no, start over. I gotta do something different there. How do I want to do the intro? One of the things. Okay, you're still recording, right?
Yeah.
We fix it in post.